watching very closely early on, you might have noticed that someone who hasn't been around for a while has made a very welcome return. It's Rachel Mackley. Hello, how are you?
Oh, it's very nice to be back. I've been changing a lot of nappies, so putting on a fancy dress, putting on some makeup, working out the weather graphics, you know, so it's all good. It's nice to be back.
And you brought some sunshine.
I brought some sunshine, that's right, yes, and hopefully remembering how to talk out loud in a straight line. Yes, of course, lots of sunshine around today. First thing this morning, quite a chilly start today, widespread frost, but clear blue skies through the afternoon. Still that brisk and chilly southeasterly wind with us. And then when temperatures 10 or 11 degrees, perhaps feeling a little bit cooler, but lots of sunshine, nothing to complain about. Now, overnight tonight, a bit more cloud cover. First thing for tomorrow, quite a dull start to the day. It brightens up though, still quite blustery, and it's going to be mild with highs in the low to mid teens. So this was the picture earlier. These clearer skies waiting in the wings though. This cloud cover, mostly it's going to be dry, but there is some patchy rain and drizzle on that weakening weather front. We see it through the night. Those winds then going from a chilly southeasterly direction to a much milder southwesterly direction. And just look at these temperatures. Overnight lows of 5 or 6 degrees. Of course, last night we dropped below freezing. So a much milder start to the day there for Wednesday. Lots of cloud around during the morning and quite blustery, particularly first thing, but it does clear. And by the afternoon, lots of sunshine around. So just look at these temperatures, 12 or 13 degrees. You might even see 14 or 15. A really pleasant afternoon. It's staying settled and dry then as we go from Wednesday over into Thursday. Once again, overnight temperatures holding up to around 5 or 6 degrees. Now, Thursday itself staying settled, perhaps not quite as much sunshine, a bit more cloud cover around, and temperatures again of around 13. You might even see 14 degrees again. So a mild day, slightly duller, but make the most of it. That dry weather won't be lasting, I'm afraid, as we look towards Friday and indeed the weekend. Once again, we're seeing low pressure pushing in, these weather systems tracking their way eastwards. Outbreaks of rain for Friday and indeed for the weekend as well. Perhaps for Saturday, some drier interludes, but a good deal of cloud cover around. So over the next couple of days, we're staying dry, decent spells of sunshine for tomorrow with highs of 14. As we look towards the weekend, Friday and Saturday are wetter, but some calmer conditions are heading back our way into the new week.
Oh, it's really lovely to have you back. I'm sure everyone watching feels the same. Rachel, thank you very much. That is